Established in 2002, the youngest franchise in the NFL is ready here in Houston for this afternoon's matchup between the Steelers and the Texans. All right, I think it's safe to say all eyes will be focused on this one matchup. A top-flight wide receiver going against one of the game's premier shutdown corners. You excited about this one, Phil?
Yeah, you know I am, because this is unique. Very seldom in this league now do we see a corner just have the courage and the ability to go line up against a receiver no matter where he lines up. Right side, left side, in the slot, in motion. That's what we're going to have here today, and there's nothing like just saying who's going to win the one-on-one battle.
It's first down as they head to the line. The quarterback mixing things up at the line of scrimmage. From the shotgun, the quarterback throws to the right.
Zone defense doesn't work in the NFL like it used to. Good job by the quarterback reading that zone and finding the open guy.
Second down, even after the completion. To the ground here. He'll go to the left. The tackle's going to be made, but he's beyond the first down marker.
Confidence, it's an unbelievable thing, isn't it? When you get that first down in the game, it gives you a little confidence, but maybe most importantly, it gives your coach confidence.
First and 10. Back to the ground now on first down. They tackle him for a loss. Press coverage all the way. Offense lines up here. Second and 13. He's looking to the right here on this throw. He's going to be tackled right around the 42-yard line.
Good job by the play caller that time, calling for the short pass. Even though it comes up short of the first down, it opens up many things that you can do on third. You can run a reverse, draw plays, screen plays, or if you want, you can still throw it down the field.
At long last season, the Houston Texans made the playoffs for the very first time. And by the interception, he's got a little bit of daylight here. Touchdown, Pittsburgh Steelers.
Well, the quarterback was under pressure. He could not see the defender. The defender in the right spot makes the catch and takes it back for a touchdown.
He made it. And after that extra point, the Steelers are leading by 7. Lined up now in kickoff formation. He's got a chance to return this one. He's going to be tackled right around the 21-yard line.
Number 82.
Texans come onto the field for their next series. Two tights for this play. Just a quick drop back. Trying to work that left side. Great coverage there on that pass attempt.
Got to give this secondary credit. In this passing league now, it's hard to make plays, but a good play there and another incomplete pass.
Second down following that incompletion. Here's the handoff to Arian Foster. Not giving up another inch.
That was a running play that time by the offense. It picked up some good yards. Nothing like it. Show the defense you're willing to get in there and slug it out and get some tough running yards.
On the way, third down. The quarterback motions the wide receiver. Challenging the defenders to the right side. He'll be brought down, but not before picking up the first down.
Good job by the receiver, running into that defense through the zone, finding the open space and making a nice catch.
They face first down. Trying to beat the play clock. Looking to the right side and throwing. And he's going to be tackled right around the 31-yard line.
What a job by the quarterback, finding a way to throw that football and pick up another first down. They are marching down the field right now.
You respect his arm, Matt Schaub?
Yeah, it's it's definitely not Aaron Rodgers' arm. It might not be Tony Romo's arm, but it's smooth, and what he can do, it makes him because he's smooth, it makes him a very accurate downfield throw. The margin of error against man-to-man defense is much smaller for a quarterback than it would be against zone defenses. That time the quarterback right on target. Good throw.
Here comes the wide receiver in motion. 2nd down and 2. And the quarterback gives it to Arian Foster.
Good coaching on the defensive side. Everybody stays at home. They stay in their gap, and they hold that run to a short gain.
Play number 6 coming up on this drive. The throw to the left. The Texans now move the chains. In the books. Touchdown.
Well, that score ties the game up. Now on the defensive side, you got to come out there and take advantage of this feeling you got going now and get the football back for your offense.
The point after is good. The penalty is declined. That last play will hold up. Texans getting ready to kick it away. He's a dangerous returner. He'll have a chance to show you right here.
Well, that time the kick returner just does an awful job. He doesn't read the blocks. His guys are knocking him down. He goes the wrong way, and that gives him bad field position.
Steelers ready to take over the football. The quarterback's hollering out instructions. Nickel formation here for the defense. Quarterback drops back, play action. Here's the long throw by Roethlisberger.
And you can throw the football that high, that accurate, and man, it is beautiful. Right on the target. Nice catch. What a play.
They're back at the line after that catch for a first down. He had no time to get set.
You are not going to be an accurate quarterback, of course, when you're under this kind of pressure. Doesn't even have time to set his feet. Another throw offline.
Playing press coverage to the outside. They bring in an extra defensive back. 2nd down and 10. Looking for an open receiver on the right. The quarterback throws it on the mark.
There wasn't much there that time, so good job by the quarterback just throwing the ball and getting the catch and just getting a couple yards. Good job here by the quarterback. He doesn't like what he sees on the defensive side, so he is changing the play to the receivers by giving him hand signals.
Here's the pass, and it's broken up, incomplete.
I think that's the hardest pass a defensive back has to defend. The long throws down the field. You have to wait till the last second to make your play. That time the defensive back did it. What a play.
How about this? They're trying to pick up the first down on 4th down, forgetting the punt. That catch gives them a first down.
You know, when that football was coming towards him in the air, he knew if he caught it, he was going to take a big hit. Well, you know what? Good thing he caught it, because if he'd have dropped it, he still was going to take a big hit. Nice catch by the receiver.
15 minutes down, 45 minutes to go. And we'll return after this message and a word from your local station. These defensive backs are ready for a battle. 1st down and 10. Looks around, and he's taken down.
Quarterback made a big mistake that time. Don't carry out the play action fake when you know you're under pressure. He tries to do it, it results in the sack.
Play number 6 coming up on this drive. Quarterback taking the snap from the shotgun. Roethlisberger going down the field.
They call that the moment of truth. It's a beautiful throw down the field, but the defensive back, he waits, until it's time to make that jump. He defends the pass. What a good job of the defensive back.
The offense heads to the line for the 7th play of the drive. The quarterback throws to the right. Got a hand on it, and it's incomplete.
That incompletion by the quarterback, hey, I give the quarterback no fault. That was just tremendous coverage by the secondary player. He's in position and able to make the football be incomplete.
This will be the 8th play of this drive. They'll go shotgun here. Here's the long throw by Roethlisberger. That'll put them in what we call plus territory.
You throw it deep for a lot of reasons. One, you're hoping for the big play, maybe a touchdown, but also you got to think about interference. You can get that a lot of times, but that was a nice throw and catch.
About to snap it for the 9th play of the drive. He has the grab.
You can't play zone coverage against this quarterback. He knows his zone, and he's going to find the open throwing lane, and he gets it done.
These DBs will not back off. This drive now about to reach the 10th play of the series. From the gun. He's looking to the right here on this throw. Gains about 3.
You know, sometimes you got to call some passes that actually go down the field. You keep throwing it short. The defense knows you're going to do it. They come up and make the tackle for a short gain.
Offense heading to the line for the 11th play of the drive. Play action. Quarterback has it on his hip. Now looking to throw. The tackle was made, but the first down is picked up.
Well, Jim, I always say it's about deception when you're playing offense. That time, the play action fake by the quarterback was so good that defense didn't even see that he still had the football, and he throws it down there for a nice completion.
They look like they're loaded up for the blitz here. Offense heads to the line for the 13th play of this drive. The formation here, shotgun. He's scrambling down. J.J. Watt rushes the quarterback.
The name of the game is hit the guy with the football, isn't it? That's what it is. The quarterback has it. The defensive end, what a nice play. Gets to him that time and gets the big hit.
This is the 14th play of this series. Throwing now to his left. A takeaway.
That was a terrible throw by the quarterback. When you're off target like that, you deserve to throw an interception.
Offense lines up here. Now 1st and 10. Foster breaks the tackle. Breaks the tackle.
Number 23 with the carry on the play. Gain of 8 on the play.
Coming up, 2nd down. 3-step drop, challenging the defenders to the right side and bringing them down. It's Lawrence Timmons.
Good job by the quarterback that time. He doesn't panic. He reads that it's a zone, and you have to wait for the receivers to get in between the defenders. Nice throw and catch.
What do you think of Matt Schaub at quarterback today?
Well, I like Matt Schaub at quarterback. It gives your team a sense of calm because you know he's going to execute the offense very well. If a player comes open on the field, he has the ability, the experience, the smarts to find him and make the throw.
2-minute warning. They went with the ground game on 1st down, bringing up 2nd. From the gun, eyeing that left side, makes the catch in the open field, and he's pushed out of bounds.
Well, that time it's a short pass to the receiver, and I give him all the credit. He takes a short pass and turns it into a long gain. He has the move to get it done, and he did that time.
Out of the gun. Looking to the right side and throwing. Finds his mark in traffic.
Well, it's another 1st down for the offense, and I'll tell you who the happiest guys are here in this stadium right now. It's the defensive players sitting over on the sideline, getting a drink of water, having a little oxygen, the fan blowing on them. It's nice this time of day to be a defender.
The corners are going to meet the receivers right on the line of scrimmage. The offense heads to the line for the 7th play of the drive. Looks to his left. Staying with him stride for stride, and the pass is incomplete.
Terrible job by the offensive line. Your quarterback needs more time than that. Another incompletion.
This will be the 8th play of this drive. Takes the snap from the shotgun. Right where it had to be.
Good job by the defense. Staying in the right spots. They give up the short pass. They make the tackle. And now we have 4th down coming up.
About to snap it for the 9th play of the drive. Perfectly thrown. That brings the play to an end.
This offense, they are methodical, aren't they? Kind of boring to watch. 1st down, 1st down, 1st down.
That is play number 10 on this drive. Looking for an open receiver on the right.
Well, when you have athletic ability on the defensive side, you're able to react to short passes. They come up, make the tackle for a little gain.
This will be the 11th play of the drive. Here's the handoff to Arian Foster. Picks up maybe 3.
Oh, excellent job by the defense there. Good tackling. Keeps them just short of the touchdown. Now can the defense, can they hang in there again and stop them short of the goal line?
They knocked him down behind the line of scrimmage. A short field goal try on the way. The kick is through for 3.
You always want to be rewarded for a nice drive in a football game, even when it's a field goal, because you've made a lot of good plays, you've executed them, you got yourself in position to get some points, and that field goal just reinforces everything.
The Steelers set to return the kick. He's got a chance to return this one. They tackle him at the 26-yard line.
Go!
The quarterback stands alone in the backfield. Drop back, shotgun formation. The quarterback throws to the right. The Steelers get a 1st down.
Well, it doesn't look like much, but it really serves the purpose. Picks up the 1st down, and now they have a chance to open things up.
2. Let's go.
5 wides for the offense. 1st and 10. It's J.J. Watt behind the line of scrimmage.
That's an excellent job by the defense. Just gets quick penetration in there, hits the quarterback, and gets the sack. That clock keeps moving. What a job by the defense in this situation.
We're back here now in this one where the Texans lead by 3. He's got a chance to return this one. Spins out of the defender's clutches.
Well, there's nothing that time the kick returner could do. Terrible blocking up front. Nobody gets their job done, and that's why they have bad field position.
Backs to the wall for the offense. 1st and 10. Play action fake. Looking to throw. Surveys. J.J. Watt rushes the quarterback.
If you can see the defense is going to try to pressure as a quarterback, you've got to know how to adjust. So don't give those play action fakes. Get in position and get rid of that football.
The safety near the line of scrimmage. Sacked again. He's been under fire all game.
What a job. Gets in there for the 2nd straight play. Gets the sack. He is just so big, fast, and strong. Hard to block this guy one-on-one.
There's the quarterback barking out new signals. Defense comes to the line, ready to pounce on that quarterback one more time. Can they get another sack right here? Getting sacked again.
That's unbelievable. I guess if you sit here and you do games long enough, Jim, sooner or later you'll see something that you've never seen in person. 3 sacks in a row by the same defensive player. He is so talented. What a great job.
Kapanos out for the punt. He's going to try and return this one. And he is tackled down at the 38-yard line.
On the play.
First down here. They better hurry to get the snap. And the quarterback gives it to Arian Foster.
Power running. A lot of teams in this league don't even do it anymore. This team, they can power it up in there and pick up those tough yards.
Offense lines up here. Second down, 3 to go. Back to the ground. There's the tackle, but still, it's enough for the first down.
That's a bread and butter play by all offenses in the NFL. Get a few yards and get that first down.
Looks like they're in press coverage here. First down, offense readying for the snap. They motion the receiver around to the other side. First down and 10. Play action fake and dropping back to throw. And they tackle him down at the 37-yard line. Getting set as fast as they can. Press coverage all the way. Offense lines up here. I smell blitz. Now first and 10. Foster swallowed up behind the line of scrimmage.
Loss of 2.
Second down here after that run play. The quarterback's calling something out. That's a pass all the way. The Texans now move the chain. Lawrence Timmons makes the tackle.
Another first down by the offense. The defense is definitely getting fatigued. And when you get fatigued, you cannot think, so look out.
Playing press coverage to the outside. That long gain sets them up here on this play. First and 10. Quarterback tosses it to the outside. Texans, touchdown.
Well, you got to lead, you drive down the field, you score a touchdown. Now we're going to find out if the other team can stay patient or will they panic.
The point after try is in the books. Following the extra point, the Texans lead by 10. And he begins his return. He's tackled at the 28.
Number 88.
These defensive backs are ready for a battle. Offense lines up here. Out of the shotgun formation. Working that left side.
That's a wonderful job that time by the secondary. Everybody's in position. Nowhere for the quarterback to throw the football, and it leads to another incomplete pass.
These DBs will not back off. The safety up in the box here. Second and 10. He's looking to the right here on this throw. Steelers get a first down. Knocked out of bounds.
That's a nice job by the offense there. Get the first down, keep those chains moving, give yourself 3 more opportunities. Defensive line shifted to the right there.
Snap back to the quarterback. Out of the gun. There's a flag out as they run down the field.
Personal foul, roughing the passer, defense.
Roughing the passer call gives the offense 15 yards and a new set of downs.
Yeah, and it was a terrible roughing the passer that time. He absolutely took 2 steps before he hit the quarterback. You can see when he lets the ball go. When you see him let it go, pull up.
Challenging the defenders to the right side. Makes the play.
There is nothing like the long throw down the field where the quarterback throws it high and far. What a throw, what a catch. Just excellent execution. Didn't result in a touchdown, but still a special play.
That was a big gainer. Now with the touchdown, this game is tight.
Well, it's a nice touchdown drive by the offense. They're still behind, but I got to say this to the defense. You're just giving up. You're letting them march down there and letting them get back in the game. Toughen up and get it done.
Well, this works out about 40% of the time if you look back on history, and they'll go for that put and additional. 2 points on the board as they convert. Steelers setting up here for the kickoff. This kick will stay on the ground, avoiding a big return. He's stacked up at that point. Offense lines up here, looking for a receiver on the left side here. And he's taken out of bounds.
You know, in the NFL now, the defenses have to be smart. When it's a long situation where you think they might throw it deep down the field, when they throw it short, you have to react. You have to break down, spread the field, and make the tackle. Come on.
That reception gave them the first down. The play clock's running down. Here's the handoff to Arian Foster.
Well, a short gain on the run that time by the offense. When you're a running football team, listen, there's going to be a lot of ugly plays that don't work. You just got to keep running it.
Offense lines up here. 2nd down and 8. He'll fire it out to the left. That catch good for a first down. End zone bound, and he's got the touchdown.
What a good job by the wide receiver. Not a terrific pass, but he just goes in there, makes a wonderful catch for the touchdown.
Inside of the uprights.
Offside defense.
The defender got caught in the neutral zone right there. That'll cost him 5.
Yeah, he's a little too anxious. You know, all these defenders, they got one thing in common. You know what that is? They hate quarterbacks. They want to get there. A little too nervous there. Gets him caught in the neutral zone.
He will run this one back.
What a job by the kickoff team. The hustle. Everybody's sprinting down the field, and they get rewarded. They give great field position to their defense.
The defense comes out in the nickel from the shotgun. The quarterback throws the pass. Airtight coverage, incomplete.
That's what you have to do as a defensive back. You got to wait to the last second. Wait till the receiver uses his hands, and once they go up, put your hand in between them and knock that football down. What a play. The defensive line, they're shifting. They're getting into a spread look. I think they think this is going to be a pass.
Ball is batted down.
What a good job by the defensive back that time. That ball was thrown beautifully down the field. High arcing throw, but the defensive back in great position knocks it down. The defensive line now spreading out. I think they want to try to pressure the quarterback.
Looking to the right side and throwing. That catch will extend the drive.
Good job by the receiver that time. Getting that extra couple yards, gets a first down. They are marching. Let's see how the defense reacts.
Everybody is split out wide. 1st and 10. Looking for an open receiver on the right.
Nice catch by the receiver, but it still doesn't get a first down.
Offense lines up here. 2nd down and 4. Scans the field. The Steelers now move the chains.
Sometimes you got to give the coaches credit. They design a play that's smart, easy for the players to manage, and what we got there is a throw and a catch, and now they have a pretty good chance of getting the first down.
Quarterback taking the snap from the shotgun. Jonathan Joseph with the interception. Bites off the hit. Hold on a minute. There's an injured player on the field.
Well, that looks like an upper body injury, Jim. I think we both can tell that. And now the question is, how bad is it? You just never know.
Offense lines up here. They'll go draw. He's going to be swallowed up behind the line, wasting little time. The corners are going to meet the receivers right on the line of scrimmage. Second down and 13. The quarterback, Troy Polamalu, has an interception. They've got him down there.
That was an awesome job by the defense. They just read the quarterback's eyes. They got in position, and they made the interception.
The defense comes out in the nickel. They'll go shotgun here. Roethlisberger going down the field. Nice catch.
These big receivers in the NFL now, they can get down the field and just give them a chance. That's what the quarterback did. Nice catch by the receiver.
Let's see what they do on first down following that huge play. Trying to find an open man.
Well, if they keep giving him this much time to throw, sooner or later, he is going to find an open guy and complete a pass.
Second down after the incompletion. Play action. He's looking to the right here on this throw. Reaches in, swats it away.
Oh, good job by the linebacker knocking that pass down that time. All he did was watch the eyes of the quarterback, and he reacted. It put him in good position, and he knocks the football down. Quarterback sees something in his defense he wants to take advantage of. Look at the hand signals he's given to the receiver outside.
Reaches out and grabs it. Touchdown. That'll close the gap.
It's commonplace now. It's hard to even say the word great for a catch by the wide receiver. We see so many of them, but this one, that is a great catch.
Looks like they're in press coverage here. From the gun. He'll fire it out to the left. They failed to convert on the two-point try, so they'll just have to settle for the 6. The kicking team now getting set here for what looks like an onside kick. The onside kick executed to near perfection, and it looks like the kicking team has it. The defense accepts the penalty. Texans are getting set for their next possession. Great starting field position for the offense. And the quarterback gives it to Arian Foster. And now they're in the hurry-up. That's second down coming up. Quick drop back. The defense gets a sack.
A lot of things to look at if you're a quarterback in this league now, isn't it? You're looking at safeties, you look at linebackers, but you forget, hey, these corners can blitz. Good disguise, good timing, and a nice sack by the corner.
Tight end in motion. Trying to work that left side. Fumble. A tackle that had to be made, and that'll set up fourth down.
That was just a terrible job by the offensive player that time. Protect the football. No excuse for letting it fumbling the football in a situation like that.
Time is running out. The defense knows it's playing with the lead, but doing whatever it can to just try to run out the clock.
Good job by the defensive line, standing in there and fighting, and they hold the running back to a short gain.
Two minutes remaining, and you're watching the NFL on EA Sports. The quarterback has his team's attention here. This game is closing in on a finish, and the defense can make one play. Interception. He's got some daylight. Breaks the plane, and it's a touchdown.
What a catch. What an interception. And not only that, take it all the way back for a touchdown. You talk about deflating for an offense. Oh, shoot, that gets close to making them quit.
They'll decline the penalty and let the play stand. Texans getting ready to kick it away. And he'll start his return. They bring him to the turf. Steelers getting ready now to start their drive. First down coming up. The formation here, shotgun. Here's the long throw by Roethlisberger, and he's intercepted.
Good job by the defensive back. Reading the wide receiver, makes the break at the perfect time, and gets the interception.
They come to the line of scrimmage. First down. Foster. Give that tackle to Lawrence Timmons. Second down coming up. Second down and 10. Trying to work the middle of the field. The Texans get a first down.
Jim, that was some job of making the catch and holding on to the football. You could hear that hit all the way up here in the booth.
First down here after the completion. Here's the handoff to Arian Foster. Shakes off the hit.
Another first down by the offense, and the happiest guys on the field or off the field right now is the defense. They are getting rested up on the sidelines.
First down here. Three-step drop, challenging the defenders to the right side. No one was open.
Play doesn't even have time to develop. The quarterback is under so much pressure, he's throwing it before these receivers are even ready.
Split backfield here. Second and 10. Ball's out, and they sack the quarterback.
Well, the one thing we know about the NFL, when you have the football in your hands, they are going to attack it. You've got to know that as a ball carrier, protect it a lot better.
The Steelers get ready to start their drive. The quarterback mixing things up at the line of scrimmage. They're winning the field position battle right here as they start the next drive. The defense did not give up an inch.
Number 7 can't complete the pass. Second down.
The quarterback's hollering out instructions. This will be second down. Play fake here. He'll throw it over the middle. Makes the catch. Touchdown. And this game just got a whole lot more interesting.
That's a wonderful touchdown. Close the gap under 2 minutes to go. There's no doubt what you're going to do now. They're going to onside kick. And what we've seen in the league this year, we've seen about 10 different ways. Can the defense be ready?
So from 2 yards out, they get it across and secure 2 extra points. They line up here for the onside kick. They want that football back. It looks like the onside kick's going to pay off here. Kicking team appears to have the ball. The defense will not decline. They will take the penalty. The quarterback's coming to the line, hoping to avoid being sacked for a 3rd time.
Hard sometimes as an offensive coordinator to call plays to catch the defense off guard when you're winning and it's late in the game. So they played it very predictable there. The defense was ready, nowhere to go.
And a gain of 4.
Nice run that time. When you run the football like this, over a period of time, it's going to wear that defense out. There's no doubt about it. Nice job by the offensive line.
After that last carry, it's 3rd and 3. They hand it off to him again. And he's going to be tackled, and that's going to bring us to 4th down.
No gain on the play.
A timeout charge to the offense. press coverage all the way. Offense still on the field here on 4th down, needing 3 for the first. Right back to him one more time.
It's about managing the football game. That's why they ran the football right there. Not a big game, but sometimes you have to be predictable. You have the lead, you're trying to get rid of the clock, you got to run it.
This is going to be a long field goal attempt.
The kick is good.
The points on the board may, in fact, seal this victory.
Oh, I think it did seal the victory, Jim. What a day for this football team. What a day by the offense. Every time they had the opportunity, they came through. They got it done. Man, you feel good after games like this.
Is every win sweet, or are the close ones that much more satisfying than just blowing someone out for 60 minutes?
Well, the close ones are more satisfying because the tension is there longer. And the longer you're under tension, when it finally comes to fruition, you win, it just makes it that much more exciting, Jim.
For Phil Simms and all the crew at EA Sports, Jim Nantz saying so long for now.